What is going on YouTube? Today I have an awesome video for you guys. I have the FIFINE, I believe that's how it is pronounced, AM8 dynamic microphone. And I think this is going to be probably one of the best entry-level microphones that you could get for, streaming, podcasting, voiceovers, whatever it is that will be able to, kind of get upgraded with your setup as you grow as a creator. And the reason why I say that is because it has a very beginner-friendly USB-C connection, as well as an XLR connection. So what that means is you'll be able to start off, without any kind of audio interface or like Stream Deck, Stream Plus, whatever. You'll be able to start with a USB-C cable straight into your PC, Mac, PlayStation, whatever it is. And then once you do upgrade, you could switch over to XLR and keep the mic. I think that is a very awesome little scenario situation setup that they have going on here, especially for, I think you can get this around like $50 right now. All right, without further ado, let's check out some boxage, and then we'll unbox it and test her out. So we got some clean, crisp sound quality, tap to mute button, real-time monitoring jack, that is pretty sweet. Upgraded XLR connection, recording setup elevation, easy to use USB, handy function key, controllable RGBs, pristine balanced sound. Box includes one mic, one USB cable, one bass stand, one user manual. You got that controllable RGB, gain control, cardioid polar pattern. All right, looks like that is about it for the boxage. Nice, clean, and simple box. Alrighty. So right off the bat, let's save that for last. Looks like we got the bass stand here. Comes with a nice little felt filling bottom. Let's file that to the side. A user's manual. I'm not going to read this at all, or maybe I will if I can't figure it out, but we are going to wing it. Alright, you have the mic itself. It looks like that is just going to screw into the stand there. This thing is actually quite a decent size. I'm surprised by that. Looks like you have the RGBs button, I'm assuming. You have your mic gain and your headphones volume. USB-C, 3.5mm audio jack for real-time listening of your voice, as well as that XLR input. So everything is fairly simple, but very clean, and I cannot wait to test out how this thing sounds. Last but not least, USB-C to USB-A. So very simple, clean unboxing. You get exactly what you need to start off. Let's actually plug this bad mama jamma in and see what we got. Ooh, one thing to note that's pretty cool about this cable is you have USB-C to a USB-C or A. So depending if you're going to Mac, PC, PS4, PS5, whatever it is, you can easily switch out to whatever you need. That is very thoughtful, and yeah, bonus points. Right away, I am very much liking that blue. Alright, let's get this hooked up to OBS and see what we are working with. Alright, before I actually get into OBS, I just want to show you guys how I have this hooked up. I have that USB-C directly into my PC over there. I have my IEMs plugged into the 3.5 jack. I also wanted to kind of point out the RGB section here. You can push that, cycle through whatever color that you want. So once you land on something, you could just leave it there. I think leaving it on like a nice little blue is kind of my go-to. I also like purple too. That's pretty sick. and we'll leave it at blue. If you look on the back here, there is also a little like microphone mute toggle button, which is a touch interface. A very nice little setup there. So I think you could have this pointed at you and always kind of see like if you're muted or not. This little spit guard, or whatever the correct term, feels very, very nice as well. And I'm also a huge fan of like the cylindrical pattern, if you will. But all in all, it is a very clean looking mic, and I think it would look pretty good with any setup. All right, let's get this hooked up. All right, you guys, so I have everything set up. It was pretty easy. As you can see here, I have everything set to where my voice is not peaking. I have absolutely no filters or anything on this at the moment. This is just the pure microphone that you're hearing right now. Tell me, what do you guys think of the sound? Let me give you a little demonstration here. The Human Torch was denied a bank loan. I think it sounds pretty good, and of course once you spice it up with all your OBS flavors and all that, you're gonna get it tuned exactly how you want it. I was playing some Spotify earlier and talking at the same time. I think that being able to hear your own voice is very, very useful. It helps you kind of make sure you're not yelling and whatnot. Everything that I have heard through this 3.5 millimeter audio jack has been pretty solid as well. It's not going to be, you know, like a world-class DAC or anything, but if you are playing games and you want to essentially use this as your audio interface and just straight USB to the PC, I think that this is an awesome value for getting all that done. Whereas, you know, if you're dropping some real cash, you'd get that Stream Deck for like $300, and that way you could this $50, you get a mic, a little audio interface, you could hear yourself talking, RGBs. I mean, that's very, very solid in my opinion. All right, so next I kind of want to just play a game real quick and see how that sounds. Alright, you guys, so I have some Street Fighter 6 pulled up. This is my go-to game to kind of like grind through. So let's just kind of see the performance of the mic with some streaming. I could hear myself perfectly fine. I will say I did absolutely zero filtering or setting up of my mic or the desktop audio, so there's no compression or anything like that. I literally just lowered the dB of the game so you could hear me come through on the mic a little bit more. So again, you could spend a lot of time tuning this to make it sound exactly how you want, and I cannot focus and play at the same time. Alright, here we go. Get off me. I wasn't ready for a punish counter. Haha! No, 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 no. Got him. Baited. Oops. It's so hard to like talk. No, I dropped it. I dropped it. I dropped the combo. No. scrub, I'm a scrub, I'm a scrub. Oh, I can't believe I dropped it. Oh, it's because I'm recording for YouTube. That's what it was. Going into the next round, he's got no super bar. This should be easy peasy lemon squeezy. Woo! Got him. That's how it's done, boys and girls. So, I know I was trying to keep up peak performance the whole time. I wasn't talking too much, but how did that sound? Let's run that back for a round 2. He wasted no time. Get off me. Alright. I'm drive impacting like a scrub. That was incredible. This guy's out for blood. Ooh. Alright, I know I'm supposed to be testing out this microphone, you guys, but it's so hard to talk and remain locked in. I do not know how Street Fighter streamers do this. I hope you are enjoying the gameplay. What's level 3? Yeah, this old man has some reactions. Okay. No, you're supposed to drive impact back. Sucker. Alright, you guys. Well, I think that sounded pretty good. Let's listen to that back, editing me, and see how that sounds. Alright, you guys. Well, that is all that I have for you today. Tell me, what are your thoughts on how this mic sounds? I honestly think for 50 bucks, this absolutely cannot be beat. The fact that you can do everything that you need audio-wise to get going for streaming is absolutely amazing for 50 bucks. That's nuts. Having that little 3.5 jack, that USB, everything is going through the mic. And then when you'd like to upgrade this mic, you can just put that XLR into your Stream Deck Plus or whatever audio interface that you want to use. I think this thing is an absolute must buy. Even like, you know, I know 50 bucks, you may think it's budget, but this is, I don't know why I would need to upgrade for this for my use personally. I think the audio is very clear, crisp, and gets the job done. You have all the features that you need for a killer little microphone. All right, you guys. Well, that's all that I have for you today. If you liked the video, please leave a like, sub, and comment. It really does help support the channel. I'll leave a link for this down in the description below as well. And yeah, catch you guys in the next one. Later.